A possible new middle school and several upgrades have Columbia Public Schools talking about future budget plans. In April, the school district may be asking voters to decide on a regularly scheduled bond issue and a tax levy. ABC 17's Lindsay Burning was at the CPS Finance Committee meeting tonight. She joins us in studio. And Lindsay, the Board of Education still has to approve these ballot measures.
Marissa, the board has to decide if it wants to ask voters for a $35 million bond issue and a 55 or 65-cent tax levy. Tonight, I talked to school officials to find out what each of those ballot measures could accomplish for the school district. If voters approve the $35 million no tax increase bond issue in April 2016, some of the money would go toward buying land and paying for the design of a new middle school in Southwest Columbia. The bond issue would also pay for expanding a couple of elementary schools, among other things. The school district is also considering asking voters for a 55 or 65-cent tax levy to make up for revenues that are decreasing each year.
So as we just keep operating status quo and growing our number of students, which requires adding teaching staff each year, those things become unaffordable without those increases in state revenue we used to have.
Linda Quinley says the cost of educating each student and transportation is also steadily increasing, bringing the operating funds down even more. An increased tax levy would allow the district to continue current operations, open new buildings like the new middle school, and give teachers pay increases for experience. Tonight, Finance Committee members looked at the difference between a 55 and 65-cent tax levy.
To a homeowner, the difference between the two levies is about $35 a year. To the district, it's a little over $2 million a year. And so it does add up to be having a significant impact on our organization and the students.
With the 55-cent increase, a $100,000 homeowner would have to pay about $104 more a year. With the 65-cent increase, that same homeowner would have to pay about $123 more a year. Tonight, the committee voted to recommend the 65-cent tax levy to the school board. If voters approve it, Quinley says the district shouldn't have to ask for another levy increase for 6 to 7 years.
Thanks, Lindsay. The Finance Committee will present its recommendation to the board at the next meeting on Monday.